All right. So my masking strategy is canvas. Canvas with paper masking around the edge. And the reason I don't put the canvas on the top versus on the bottom is because they're when you're spraying, like say the trim here, the spray, yeah, it can cause this to go up a little bit. No big deal. But and it might stick to the wall. It's like, all right, that might cause a problem. But it's no big deal because it's not getting on the floor or the spots I don't want it to get hit. If I put the canvas on the top, the spray will hit the wall, and then it'll cause a draft that'll get underneath the canvas, and then that will hit the floor. So you'll end up with overspray underneath the canvas, not underneath the paper. And that's about it. And then plastic where it goes, like on windows. But yep, that's how I do it.